So you started investing in crypto and you've seen some crazy gains. We can all buy and sell crypto, but you want something more, something passive, something where you can make consistent income rather than just buying and selling all day. Don't worry, I got you covered. Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Faris, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over how you can start making passive income with cryptocurrencies. Everyone loves those 30% green days with crypto, but when it's down 50% the next day, that doesn't feel too well. Before I go over all the ways you guys can make some extra money with cryptocurrencies, be sure to smash that like button down below. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. It'll help your boy out tremendously. I make videos all about money, finance, crypto, and all that good stuff. If you're watching this video, you probably are into that stuff as well, so be sure to subscribe while you're here. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be talking about some ways you probably have never heard of to make money with crypto, so you don't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's see some ways we can make some extra money with cryptocurrencies passively. Also, if you guys want $10 worth of free Bitcoin, use the link down below to sign up with Coinbase. And if you guys want to buy a lot of cryptos all in one spot, check out crypto.com. Both of them, the link will be in my bio. Coming in at number one is going to be staking. I know you can find thousands of articles that go in depth about staking and how it works and all this and that, but to save both me and you time, all it is just locking up your crypto and receiving rewards. Think of it like a savings account with a bank. You deposit money into a savings account and you'll receive interest on your money, something like 0.0001% a year. I'm sure you know my opinion on savings account now. Now, how much can you actually make from staking your crypto? Well, it all depends on each coin because each one has a different percentage. You can earn up to 6% with Ethereum 2.0, 5% with Cosmos, 4% with Tezos, and almost 2% with DAI. When staking your crypto, unlike a traditional bank, most cryptos require a lockup period. Pretty much a certain amount of time your crypto is locked up and you can't do anything with it. The coins that you lock up is what you get your percentage return on. Now, also with each exchange, they also have their own different staking rewards. Some might be more and some might be less. You can use plenty of different staking platforms such as BlockFi, Coinbase, Voyager, Crypto.com. All these exchanges will give you a percentage return for locking your crypto up with them. So let's say you have $1,000 worth of a coin and you lock it up for a year. You would probably earn anywhere in between $50 to $100 a year. Now, I already know what you're saying. Farce, that's nothing for a year's worth of time. I agree, but if you plan on holding your crypto, it really doesn't matter because you are in it for the long term, and if you don't, you're essentially passing up on free money. Now, let's say you're a big baller and you put in $50,000. You can earn close to $4,000 a year for just holding your crypto, which you are already gonna do. Not bad if you ask me. So staking is a great way to earn passive income with crypto. There's also something called yield farming, which I won't get into in this video because it gets super complicated, but the returns on there are, well, let me just show you a picture. You can easily make up to thousands of percent a year, but it's really risky. I just wanted to include this in this video just in case you guys were interested, or if you guys are on the risky side of crypto, you guys can check out other videos on YouTube. Alright, coming in at number two is going to be mining crypto. No, I'm not talking about literally mining crypto. Mining crypto is pretty much adding new crypto into the circulating supply. When someone sends Bitcoin or any other crypto anywhere, it's called a transaction. If we look at transactions in the real world, they are documented by banks, POS systems, and receipts. But in crypto world, those are Bitcoin miners. They achieve the same thing by clumping transactions together in blocks and adding them to a public record called the blockchain. So basically, think of them as middlemen for transactions. Anytime they help with one, they get rewarded with some coins. Now, how can you make money from mining crypto? I'm sure by now you've seen those crazy memes of people decking out warehouses full of mining rigs and receiving rewards that way. Now, obviously, you don't want to do all that. Well, I mean, you can if you want, but you can start out with one and work your way up. Sad news is you can't even do that because in order to start mining crypto, you need graphic cards, GPUs, and a whole bunch of other things, which are also though everywhere because everyone wants to mine right now. And if you really do want them, good luck because you're gonna have to pay some steep resale prices, along with the crazy electricity fees that come with mining. But there are ways around all of this. It's through cloud mining. This is pretty much sharing someone else's mining rigs and they give you a percentage of their rewards. Now, there are websites out there that offer their service, but you have to be very careful because the majority end up being scams. So make sure you guys do a whole bunch of research before investing your money into it. How it works is you give them an investment amount, and for about 30 to about 120 days, whatever you choose, your money is locked up and you'll receive mining rewards up until then. And when your contract is up, you'll get your money back. Unfortunately, I don't have a website to recommend just just be very careful if you guys do plan on going this route. I did have a website to recommend, but it's no longer with us anymore. RIP to the GOAT, Genesis Mining. If you know, you know. Coming in at number 3 is going to be affiliate rewards. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about when I say this, but for those of you that don't, it's pretty much when you get other people to sign up for different exchanges or accounts. Exchanges will give you money for inviting your friends and telling them to use their platform instead of other ones. Now, the payments can vary. Sometimes it's percentage on trading fees. Sometimes they'll give you $10, $20 for just inviting someone over. What you can do is take those links and share them on your social media, investment groups, to friends and family. You can write a blog about it and include them in there. There's a lot of stuff you can do. And anytime someone uses your link to create an account or fund it with that exchange, you'll receive a bonus, usually in the form of crypto. Now you might be asking yourself, Forrest, how is this passive? You have to do work by promoting it. I agree, but it's only upfront work. You do all the work only once. Let's say you make a YouTube video about the exchange, reviewing it or something about it. Anytime someone watches your video and clicks the link in your description, you'll get a kickback once they sign up. There's a lot of info in the crypto space right now, but there's not a lot of specific in-depth videos on how to do certain things. If you think about it, crypto is still very, very new. A lot of people don't know how to do anything with it. If you can make a tutorial or reviews of certain things, and each time someone searches it up and your video pops up and they use your link to sign up or fund their account, you'll receive a bonus. And finally, coming in at number 4 is going to be what we all have a love-hate relationship with, which is holding. Huddling. You can hold your crypto for the long term, and over time crypto prices usually rise, which will result in your portfolio going up in value. This is pretty much passive income as long as you don't check your portfolio every 30 minutes and are constantly buying and selling different coins. If you just keep it in your wallet, prices usually for the most part end up rising, which will increase your portfolio value, which you can technically look at as passive income. So those were the 4 ways you can make passive income with crypto: staking, mining, affiliates, and holding. Hodling. If you want $10 worth of free crypto, check out my link to Coinbase down in the description box below. If you want to buy all the majority coins, make sure you guys check out crypto.com. If you guys haven't already subscribed, what are you guys doing? Make sure to hit the bell icon while you're down there as well, so you know whenever I make a new video. Also, be sure to let me know if you guys are using any of these methods to make money with crypto, or if you have any other methods that no one's talking about. Be sure to let me know down in the comment section below, or if you guys are planning on starting any of these soon. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.